Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn off suggested accounts on Instagram. Alright, everyone is thinking that you can do this in the Instagram application, but this is not true. So we go to our Safari and from here go to Instagram. Then when we are here, go to our profile right in the bottom and then please do edit profile. From here, we scroll down, and here under you see show account suggestions on profiles. Alright, when we turn this off and do submit, everything is fixed now. Now, we will not suggest on profiles at people that we maybe know or something like that. And this is exactly how this works. If you find this helpful, please smash a like and thanks for watching.